If you're also in a Celonis bubble and scrolling LinkedIn on a day-to-day basis, you cannot have missed that Celonis has acquired Ikigai and also announced the Celonis Context Model. And while we're reading through all those interviews and seeing great videos, are you really sure what it means? Starting with the Celonis Context Model. What we're used to with Celonis is already the ability to create a digital twin of your processes. However, looking at the broader perspective of all the data that organizations are collecting, there's much more than purely the process, objects and events themselves. Think of, for example, procurement process. Is it really relevant to have employee data connected to a procurement process? Normally, we would skip this. However, if we know that someone's going with retirement in the next 3 days, maybe we shouldn't send them approval flows for new purchases to be made. So by connecting more data and more points towards each other, we can actually start seeing extra correlations, connections, and make better decisions. And this is what Celonis is really doing, creating that real digital twin of what happens in your organization, both on the process level and all the context around it, to create validated and real-time context for your agents to be efficient and reliable themselves. And by having this, we already have the ability to understand what happened in the past and also what happens in real time, which is very valuable to improve your processes and orchestrate agents. Looking back already a couple of years ago, Celonis has been pushing a lot for machine learning. And why is Celonis so great for machine learning? It's because we have this entire digital twin in a very structured way saved in the software. And that means if you compare to a normal machine learning exercise, where 80% of the work is on data engineering, if not more, we can skip this because we have the data already live available for you. So we can really focus on what's next, what happens tomorrow. And this is where the acquisition of Ikigai is so relevant, because this is taking this towards the next level. With great simulation and prediction modules, also with AI, we will take the next step into understanding what will happen tomorrow to make better decisions today. That was our take on what happens with the Celonis next, and looking forward to see reality playing out and probably looking back on this in a couple of months.